Imagine an electric car that charges faster than your smartphone, travels twice the distance on a single charge, and lasts for decades, without losing range. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. A new generation of battery technology is here, and it's called solid-state. Forget everything you think you know about electric vehicles. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. In this video, we're diving into how solid-state batteries are about to change EVs forever. From the science behind the tech, to the real-world companies racing to bring it to market, and most importantly, how it will affect you. The future of electric transportation starts right now. Today's electric vehicles run on lithium-ion batteries. They're everywhere from Teslas to your phone, but they have limits. Most EVs max out at around 300 miles of range, take 30 minutes to an hour to fast charge, and after a few years, they start losing capacity. Worst of all, they use liquid electrolytes, flammable, unstable, and prone to thermal runaway. That's industry speak for battery fires. The bottom line? Today's batteries are holding back what EVs could be. Solid-state batteries. At their core, the difference is simple. They replace the liquid electrolyte with a solid one. That one change unlocks incredible advantages. Up to 5x higher energy density. Faster charging. 80% in under 10 minutes. Longer lifespan, with barely any degradation. And most importantly, no fires. Imagine a battery that gives your EV 600 miles of range, charges in the time it takes to grab coffee, and still performs like new after 10 years. That's not fantasy. That's solid state. But how does it actually work? Solid-state batteries use materials like ceramics, sulfides, and polymers as electrolytes. Each has unique strengths and challenges. Oxides are stable and safe, but brittle. Sulfides offer amazing conductivity, but they react with air and moisture. Polymers are flexible and safe, but slower to charge. The real breakthrough? Finding the perfect mix. And that's what companies like QuantumScape are chasing, with help from giants like Volkswagen, Bill Gates, and Toyota. Toyota claims to be just a couple of years from bringing solid-state EVs to market. But there are challenges. Manufacturing solid-state batteries at scale is incredibly difficult. Making thin, defect-free solid layers is complex. Preventing dendrites, those tiny lithium spikes that can cause short circuits, is another hurdle. But progress is accelerating. So, what does all this mean for your next car? With solid-state batteries, vehicles will be lighter, more efficient, and more spacious, thanks to compact battery packs. Car designs will evolve. Think thinner floors, more cabin space, new form factors. But it's not just about cars. This technology could revolutionize electric trucks and buses, drones and aircraft, even home and grid-level energy storage. Picture a future where your entire house is powered by a safe, solid-state battery. Of course, no innovation is perfect. Solid-state batteries are still expensive to produce. Some types don't perform well in cold weather. And building enough of them to power millions of cars per year? That's a massive challenge. So, who gets them first? Likely premium EVs. Think Lexus, Porsche, maybe even a future Tesla. But once production scales and costs come down, solid-state batteries will be everywhere. And when that happens, the world will change. Less oil, safer roads, cleaner air, longer-lasting technology. The era of compromise is ending. The solid-state revolution is just beginning. So, will your next EV have a solid-state battery? Maybe not yet. But the one after that? Almost certainly. The future of electric transportation is faster, safer, and smarter. And it all starts with solid-state.